Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Tesla. The biggest question you may have is what's going on and is it too late to buy into this stock? Over the past couple of weeks, we've seen crazy moves from Tesla. If we look at the year-to-date chart, you can see ever since about 550, this stock was on just a non-stop beautiful upward trend, and in the past couple of days we've had crazy amounts of buying pressure, some days going up as high as 12% in value, which is by far one of the largest moves Tesla has seen in a very long time. So the biggest question is, 1, should you buy Tesla? 2, is it too late? Should I buy, sell, hold? And 3, what is going on? What's making it do this crazy move? So I hope you guys enjoy the episode. And if you do, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And guys, it really helps me out when you guys smash that like button. So starting off, now what is going on with Tesla? Well, if you guys look right in here, this is when a company releases earnings. So you can see Tesla did release earnings. And looking at the numbers, they did very well, which is unusual because normally around this time, this is when companies honestly start to slow down. They normally do very well in the summer, and then once fall time happens, they kind of slow down a little bit until the end of the year once it picks up again. But looking at the fundamentals here, the finances, you can see Tesla was up year over year, 56% in revenue. And look at this, the net income is $1.6 billion, which is extremely high. If you compare this to what it was doing, a year or two ago, their margins in general were just extremely thin. So their revenue and income was just very small. And if we actually look at the net profit margin, this is extremely well for an auto company. Now, just like literally a couple months ago, Tesla's profit margin was 2%, which is literally extremely low, just because if that just say the company makes $100, they will only have $2 in total profit after this. Now, for every $100 they make, they profit of $11.76, which is fantastic. I believe Ford is rated around 9%, and a lot of auto companies are right underneath that 10% mark. So with it being over 10%, that is fantastic. Not to mention we have the operating income growing as well, which is very common. The net change in cash, they did spend a little money, $131 million. Very expected. Company's going to spend money to make money. It's super common, and as long as they're saving some cash, that's all that should matter. So you can see right here they increased their cash on hand about $16 billion. And then the cost of revenue is about 10. And if you guys look at it, you can see the revenue beat and the EPS, the earnings per share beat as well. So this is just a fantastic earnings by Tesla. And now what causes this move is 100% this earnings. They hit all their delivery marks. The company's growing at a very fast rate. And not to mention we have Tesla Solar that's honestly starting to take over and is very interesting, because Tesla's whole mindset is they want to be able to use solar energy to charge your cars. So for me, that's fantastic, great business model. And honestly, I think it's going to be one of the long-term companies that stick around. I think that's a fantastic sector. I think we're just getting started with renewable energies, and Tesla is going to be continuing to grow. They're not going anywhere anytime soon. So the biggest question, should you buy it? Well, the thing about should you buy it, right now, everybody loves to ask that question because of how much it went up. People weren't asking that question when it was trading in here. So the biggest thing you have to understand is, one, if you want to be part of Tesla, you have to just dollar cost average it. It's very hard to tell whether the stock's overvalued, undervalued, or anything like that, because you could see it looked overvalued in here, but it continued to go up till it was way overvalued up here where we had some sell-off a little bit after. So dollar cost average it. Figure out however much you want to invest, whether it's $10, whether it's $100,000. What you're going to do is you're just going to spread it out into weekly payments. So if the Tesla continues to go up, you're still going to be making money on that beautiful growth. But the beauty of it is we all know Tesla's not going anywhere, and it's a volatile growth stock, so it's going to fall a couple times. And during that sell-off, don't freak out. Don't freak out. Just dollar cost average it. Continue what you normally would invest. And my little twist, what I always like to do is anytime it falls more than 6% in value in a single week, double what you normally put in. So just like in here where we had this crazy sell-off, people were freaking out. I was doubling, somewhat tripling what I normally put into this company. So now once it recovers, I make a lot more money. That's kind of my overall mindset. I think Tesla's not going anywhere anytime soon. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful opportunity for people to really kill it with their shares if they have them. And if they don't, just dollar cost average it. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. Stable company, great profit margin, solid company. I highly recommend it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys. Stay positive. Stay safe out there. And I'll see you guys later in the next one. Take care.